There are days when you feel like giving up. You wake up with a weight on your chest, like the world is pressing down on you. You wonder if all the hard work, all the sacrifices, will ever pay off. You feel like no one sees the struggle, the pain, the nights you've spent fighting battles that no one understands. But let me remind you of something important. You're still here. You're still standing. And that alone makes you stronger than you think. You've been knocked down. You've faced rejection. You've felt doubt creep in, telling you to quit, to stop trying, to give up and walk away. But guess what? You didn't. You kept going. You kept pushing forward even when the road felt too long. Even when you couldn't see the light at the end of the tunnel. That's where true strength lies. When the world tells you to give up, God whispers, "You're not done yet." His plan for you is bigger than any setback you've faced. What you've gone through has shaped you, strengthened you, and prepared you for something greater. Don't let temporary pain steal your permanent purpose. Every setback is just a setup for a bigger comeback. Every failure is not the end, it's a lesson. Every time you fall, you rise again with more wisdom, more determination, and more strength. Don't fear the tough times. They're the times that build you into who you were meant to be. You're not alone in this journey. There's a greater force at work, guiding you, carrying you when you're too tired to carry yourself. God has a plan, and it's unfolding every day, step by step. Keep going, even when it feels like you're not getting anywhere. One day, you'll look back and realize that every step, every tear, every challenge was all part of the masterpiece He's creating in you. You are capable, you are strong, and most importantly, you are never alone. You've made it this far, don't stop now. Trust the process. Trust in the purpose. Trust that your breakthrough is just around the corner. The journey may be tough, but the reward is worth it. Keep going. Your time is coming.